Hi everybody, it's Kona and welcome to Math 113. This is going to be just a brief overview of kind of how to navigate in Canvas, how to navigate the course, and what you need to do to get started. So first of all, let's just do Canvas really quick. So you should have your account information, your dashboard that will take you back to your course cards and all of your courses, your course list. So if you were to click on this, you'd get a list of all of your courses, which aren't right here. The calendar, which will take you to the calendar, and then your inbox, which is where you can message people. Something else I want to make sure you notice is up here, you see the three little vertical lines. If you click on those, you can notice that you actually make the screen bigger, but you also lose those navigational links over here. So if you click again, they're back. So back and forth, just want to make sure you realize they're there. Something else I wanted you to notice as you navigate, once you get done with all the Start Here content, if you don't want to have to go through this again and look at it, well, not go through it, but if you don't want to have to see it every time you log in, you can click that little arrow right there and see how it just kind of goes right up, and then you don't have to look at it. So this is one way you can kind of keep track of what week we're in. So once you're done with everything and Start Here, you can just click that, then you don't have to look at it. If you want to look at it again, click again. Same thing for week 1, week 2, you just click on it. Okay, so there you go. That's kind of a brief introduction there. You've got your home page. This is where all of the actual course content is. So any content in this course is going to be housed here. Everything you'll need for each week is in the actual week. So you don't have to go hunting for where is the course content. Basically, if you just go to whatever week we're working on, you will see all the course content and you will see all assignments for the course. So don't have to go hunting, it's all right here. Something else to check out is the syllabus. So here you've got not only the course syllabus, which I strongly recommend you not only read, but that you also download to your computer, so that way you have access to it at all times, but you also have the assignment summary, which kind of shows when all the different assignments are due. If you click on grades, this isn't going to be really exciting right now, but this is where you'll find all of your grades. This is where you can also use the what if grades. So if you want to start playing around and saying, well, what if I got a 30 on that? Or what if I got a 8 on this? And you can see how your grade changes. So even if you have a grade for this, you can always come back and say, well, what if I only got a 15? And you can see how your grade changes. So grades are really fun because not only hopefully will you be doing wonderful in this course, but also you've got the what if grade, so you can play around and see how your grade would change based on you adjusting these numbers. Then the people tab, or link over here, will just show you all the different students in the course right there. So back to home. So what do you actually need to do to get started in this course? Well, first of all, you need to complete all of the Start Here content. As you can see, it says mark done, mark done. You must contribute, submit, and score at least a 4 for these different things in order to get into week 1 and week 2. So you notice you can't click on them until you get through all of this. Also notice, even though these have an August 28th due date, so do these. So you don't want to wait until August 28th to actually finish those assignments. You want to go in and get these done as soon as possible, so that way you can actually get in and start reading and doing everything you need to do for week 1. Week 2 won't be due until September 4th. Then you can see week 3 will unlock on August 28th, week 4, September 4th, and so on. So for right now, what would you have to do to mark as done? If you click on the Read First, Getting Started, you'll see some important information that please make sure you read. And then there's a Mark as Done. Once you're done reading through this, you just click the Mark as Done. So there we go. Now when I go back home, and Mark as Done is now done. So you would do the same thing for course resources. That's another Mark as Done. But the 2 truths and a lie, and actually really quick, let's go ahead and just look at the course resources. Because for course resources, we actually have these different tabs. So first of all, you've got your textbook, which here are all the different chapters, as well as the entire textbook and the tablet friendly. And then if you want to buy it and have the actual hard copy, there's the information. We've got statistics notes. This is going to be really important. A lot of your quiz information will come from the statistics notes. Websites. We will be doing a lot of research and a lot of looking at data. And here's some websites that you can use when you have to go finding your own data. Citations will just kind of help you because you need to be able to cite all of your information. And here's information just about the syllabus. So there you go. And when you're done looking through all the different tabs, you want to mark as done. Going back to home, Two Truths and a Lie is a discussion. For that discussion, you have to contribute. So what contribute means is that you have to actually post to this discussion before you can move on into this information as well. So you have to actually post to here. Tell me about yourself. This is something that's completely private. No other students will see it, only me. And once you upload that assignment, it'll be submitted and that will get checked off. And then you've got the syllabus quiz. Even though it says 4 points, it's actually more than 4 questions, and you need to get a 100% on this quiz before you can move on. So I think that's pretty much it for getting started. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, and I look forward to working with everyone.